When it comes to slaying supercars, the Ariel Atom does it best, with a 1,300-pound curb weight, 320 horsepower, and a no-holds-barred approach. But the Atom also costs a lot. At $83,000, it puts you in spitting distance of real exotics, like a used Gallardo or F430. So what if you want the Atom experience? Open-air EXO KART fun at a more affordable price? Well, the Matrix Motorworks TR42 could hold the key. The TR42 was sold as a kit car made by a small race shop. The kit was sold in various stages of completion, allowing the customer to decide how much of the work they wanted to do, whether it was starting from the foundation with a basic chassis or picking the project up near the end with a rolling car just waiting for its drivetrain to hit the road. Like an Ariel Atom, the Matrix TR42 is an EXO car, a stripped-back custom build with an exposed frame and minimal safety features. It's designed like a motorcycle, lightweight, open air, and raw. The inspiration for this style of exotic was the Lotus 7 Trials Racer from the 1960s. Colin Chapman's original kit has spawned an entire community of enthusiasts trying to build their own affordable supercars. The TR42 is built on top of a tube-frame chassis. It was designed and assembled by Matrix Motorworks and has a mid-engine rear-wheel drive layout. Although there's no safety roll cage, there are individual roll hoops above each seat, providing the illusion of a little security. The suspension is a dual wishbone setup taken from the Pontiac Solstice. By using off-the-shelf General Motors parts, replacements are cheaper and easier to source than a custom piece would be. The original TR42 prototype was designed to accept a drivetrain from the Porsche 914, a simple air-cooled 1.7-liter flat-4 motor producing a restrained 80 horsepower. Needless to say, many TR42 builders found the Porsche engine a little underwhelming by today's standards, and modified the motor mounts to fit something a little more rowdy. Keeping with the boxer theme, most completed Matrix kits instead feature a Subaru-sourced 4-cylinder taken from the WRX. These engines typically produce around 200 to 300 horsepower, providing a huge improvement to the performance. The TR42 also works best with a 5-speed manual, since the Subaru 6-speed units would, well, they'd stick out the back even farther. The all-wheel drive transmission gets converted to rear-wheel drive by removing the center differential and installing a block-off plate. The exterior is simple, leaving much of the frame exposed in true EXO car fashion. Many have argued that the Matrix is a better-looking car than the Ariel Atom, with a grooved fiberglass hood and lower side intakes. A lot of the final details are up to the builder to determine. Although every car features the same frame and most of them have the same engine, elements of the interior and exterior provide a lot more room for customization. Some builders have integrated motorcycle parts into their builds, both for the lightweight functionality and waterproof design. There are also builds featured with and without front and rear wings. A lot of it is up to you to bring your vision to reality. But if you wanted to buy a TR42 kit new, then sadly you're out of luck. Matrix Motorworks moved on from the project and sold the rights to IAG Performance in Maryland. IAG built one final example as a show car, but ultimately decided not to put it into production, meaning only a handful of TR42s were ever built. Some sources suggest as few as 7 are still on the road today, but they do appear on the used markets from time to time. Depending on the quality of the build, used examples have sold from around $15,000 to nearly $40,000. If there aren't any currently listed for sale, you can always pursue other Subaru-based kit cars like the Factory 5 818 or Brutal S1. I have videos about both on my channel, so make sure to check them out and subscribe for future uploads. Thanks for watching.